English. Coming to the languages of America, English is the widely spoken language in America, especially American English. People, nearly 80% of, according to a survey in 2008, they were around 2030 millions, population was 2030 millions. Out of it, 80% spoke English. Their home language was English, and the age variation from above 5 to elder, they spoke only English at home. The next common language in US is Spanish. Spanish nowadays is getting more significance in US. It's because the Spanish speaking people, they are becoming more and more in US. But still, there are some laws which tells that, which make sufficient that English should be a national language. There is one thing called as United States Nationalization Research, which is actually in a way of dedicating or implementing that English is going to be the national language of US. But till date, there is no officially confirmation that English is the national language. Now I'll be speaking about the history, the flag of US. The American flag has 13 horizontal stripes alternating red and white. These stripes originally indicate the 13 delegates from the colonies, and there's a rectangle towards the left that indicates which has 50 stars in it. It indicates the 50 states of US. The other name for American flag is Stars and Strings and the Old Glory. This is how this is what the other name of US flag. I'll repeat it again. It is Stars and Strings and the Old Glory. The currency and central bank. USD, United States dollar. This is the currency of USA. Not only USA, many international transactions relating to monetary or export or import or purchase anything. Majority of the countries use USD as their transaction module. It's because of the stability of currency. At present, till date, USD, that is dollars, is considered as one of the stabilized form of currency. Speaking about the central bank, a relatively independent central bank known as Federal Bank. It was created in the year 1913 to stabilize and to bring monetary policies. This bank plays a major role in stabilizing the money. It's because till date, from the date it was formed until today, the monetary value or the money stabilized in the US dollar has never gone down. It's because the excellent function of the central bank here. And I would like to finish my topic telling, to my view, the one point which I wanted to present is America is a place where they accept you as you are. They respect your feeling, they respect your emotion. For example, there was a survey in it. It was taken on 2010. They were found that 7% of men and 8% of women identify themselves as gay and bisexual. In many countries, people will not accept it. Taking for granted, in our country, we don't accept it. We're still not ready to take that culture. But US, people really respect your emotion. They respect your feeling. In that way, I am proudly presenting this country to you. Thank you so much. Next, Rajesh will be presenting.
Good afternoon. My topic is tourism. Taking out time from the busy schedule and going out for relaxation is what is all about tourism. For getting American visa, you need to go to this consulate where you will find your American visa. And basically for student visa and tourism visa, it will take 15 to 18 days, and all of the requirements will be asked for the requirements in this ID as well as in this number. Now, it is very difficult for a person to tell the total United States as a whole because there are 50 states and each state has its own specialty. So now I will take you through a video where it will say the top 10 attractive places in America. Now, whenever you go to America, these are the top 10 places you should definitely visit. With places, the next thing which comes attached to it is food. Whenever people go to America, they tend to find the ambience of India. So when they tend to find ambience of India, they should definitely go to these two restaurants, which is the top two restaurants in Los Angeles, where you will find the Indian ambience as well as Indian food. Second to it, the speciality of these two restaurants is that you can book it from India, and you can even tell they have a lodge, staying facilities as well, where you can even stay. So the total comfort zone for you would be created as and when you reach America. But people would love to have American taste in India as well. Well, for that reason, you are there daily and every day to taste America through KFC. KFC was situated in America on 1955. This man was born in 1890, and he did not have any education background, but he was a steward, like water steward. He used to drive steamboats in water, in rivers. So he had, the speciality was that he had a recipe which had 11 spices and herbs, which he always wanted to put into reality. For that reason, he started up with a cafe in 1930s when he was 40 years old, that point of time. That's why you will find the logo where an aged man is there, because he started off his career at 40 years. After a certain time, in 1955, he found there were certain problems which toppled down, and his total cafe was into vain again. So he had to again start from scratch, and he again started giving offers to different people, different investors to invest in his own business. Right now you will find 223 KFCs all over the world, and by 2015 you will find 500 KFCs all over the world. By this I conclude my topic and I introduce Wilda for the next topic.
Good afternoon, one and all. My topic is Science and Technology. The United States Constitution itself, effects of the encouragement of scientific creativity. Now I am going to speak about the USA, scientists from USA. First, talk about Alexander Graham Bell. In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell was Alexander Graham Bell was on the intelligent scientist. He was made first practical telephone, and next one is Thomas Edison. He was best scientist from USA. He was made in first long-lasting light bulb, and next to Wright brothers. In the year 1903, he was made the first sustained and controlled heavier than air power flight. And next to Neil Armstrong. He was the very famous and one of the best scientists from USA. He was first man to walk on the moon. Neil Armstrong was an scientist, astronaut. Neil Armstrong was an astronaut of scientist. He was the first person to walk on the. He was first walk on the moon. He was also an aerospace engineer and test pilot and also a university professor. He was born on August 5th in the year of 1930. Before becoming astronaut, Armstrong was an after the war he was finished bachelor degree, and after he later completed the graduate studies at the University of Southern California. This is Neil Armstrong autograph. Neil Armstrong on moon. He made his first space space flight. Gemini 8 in the year 1969. And next topic is more invention by Americans. First I am going to talk about the word game Scrabble. What is the? I think most of the people might not be knowing this. What is called Scrabble game? Scrabble game is a word game in which 2 to 4 players score pointed by form words from individual forming letter type on game board. And next is xeroxography. Xeroxography is a machine to take out the photocopy and which is written on the paper or printed paper, which was invented by Cluster Carlson in the year 1938. He was awarded from US patent. And next one is dishwasher. Dishwasher is a cleaning unit. Dishwasher is a device for cleaning and utensils. Dishwasher can be found in restaurant and private homes. Next one is masking tape. Masking tape is a type of pressure sensitive tape made in thin and easily to tear the paper and can be easily released the paper. Pressure sensitive adhesive. It is available in the variety of widths and it is used in mainly painting. Next one is folding bed. Folding bed is we often and highly useful. There there is shortage of space, or there are unexpected guests who needs to want folding bed. And next one is sieving machine. Sieving machine is a machine. It's used to stitch fabric and other material together with thread. Next one is culture of America. I am going to speak about. I am going to give small information of culture of America. Culture of America. Culture of United States in primarily the Western culture. Next topic is popular culture of America. First, I am going to explain that music. America popular music is next to dance. There is great variety of dance is there in United States of America. If the home dance, hip hop dance, and it derivative dance in rock and roll and and modern secure dance. Next one is television. 99% American households have used one TV, and majority of American households have more than one. Next one is motion pictures. Motion picture in the 20th century, motion pictures can be used most successful and powerful industry in the USA. My final topic is transportation systems of America. Everyone personal transportation in America is dominated by the automobiles, which is one of the best and busiest airport in USA. The vast majority and passenger travel in a train, and most of the peoples, some peoples are going in aeroplane. Thank you.
Yes, the interesting part came. Sports and entertainment of USA. Sport have been a big part of American culture for the many years. Professional games like basketball, rugby, hockey, and baseball. The popularity of the sports is a big part of USA. Big part of US historical culture. Then let's come to the interesting game, basketball. You can see these tall guys playing this basketball, the way they triple the ball, the way they jumping, the way they tackle the ball. It will be crazy for this game. And the basketball game is mostly used by the youth guys and those who play. It's very stylish game it was. And I'll share you some little bit small story behind this basketball. This basketball game was invented by the Dr. James Naismith. He's a Canadian physical education instructor in 1829 in Springfield. While teaching at YMCA, he wanted to give the students something interesting and something active while in a rainy day inside. So eventually he came up with some of the rules, and he made this game as popular as he can. And nowadays the basketball is the most popular game in USA also. And today the NBA is the most popular league in the all over the world. And next we will come to baseball. The history of baseball in the world is when we are talking, it's when in 18th century when amateurs played a game with not improving techniques and all. With a few items they played like with stick and one ball they played in some land area, and later on that game become most popular like this. See that how many players are standing this. It's a most popular game, and baseball is known as the most national. Baseball is known as national pastime of the USA. And let's go to ice hockey. Ice hockey, the game is most popular in the regions of country with like cold winter. And the national hockey is the league, major professional hockey league in like North America. They play in 23 US based teams and 7 Canadian based out competing only for this Stanley Cup. Let's move to rugby or football. This rugby is formed in 1975. It's just a type of soccer game. That soccer we used to play with our foot, but this rugby we will play with by hands, and we will be taking this ball and running. Like it's a nice tackling game that we will attack the strangers, and it's superb game. And there are over 450,000 players registered in the USA rugby, including of them it is 70,000 of them are high school students. Nowadays, the 2,058 clubs in the US are governed by 7 territorial unions and 37 by local unions. Now, entertainment in America. Hollywood. Hollywood is the symbol alone conjures the thought of fame, promise, and heartbreak for the most. It's later, but nevertheless, it's a dream with dramatic outcomes regardless. It gives us Steven Spielberg, James Cameron, Christopher Nolan, and Will Smith, etc. And these people imagine the unimaginable things. They touched our hearts. They believed of something which is unreal. What else to say? Hollywood has become as a part of USA. Not only a part of USA, it has become USA's most distinctive. It's characterized USA, it distinctive USA, and it represents in USA. And the next topic is Presidents of America. Yes. Yes, this is the first President of America, John Hanson. The people and nations are fogged in the fire of adversity. This is the word of the famous and the first President of USA, John Hanson. He is a lawyer. He was the first president, American president. He served in office from November 5th to 1781. And he had taken his master's degree from Harvard University as a lawyer. And next, the one more famous president in America is Bill Clinton. Clinton was elected as a president in 1992, and he is the 42nd president of America. Clinton easily defeated his competitors when was in the Democrats' primacy, and he is nominated and he become the nominee for the presidency. Clinton's greatest accomplishment was as a president. He was leading the nation to a period of strong economic planning with a low rate of inflation. The national enjoyed the least unemployment rate and economic equality. Next, George W. Bush. He served as the president of 43rd, and is the president of United States from 2001 to 2009, and 46th governor of Texas from 1995 to 2000. Bush led the United States when that 1911 terrorist attacks, and initiated the Iraq War. Next is Barack Obama, the latest president of America. He was a civil rights lawyer, and before pursuing his political career, Obama also handled many military issues and security issues during his presidency. Thank you for all. and that video shows us that the darkest day of America. And next will be continued by Vaishali.
Good evening to one and all present here. I'm going to speak about the geographical importance. United States is very rich in the mineral resources, and it has a fertile farm soil. It has a moderate climate because there are two main rivers which flows through it. That is the Pacific Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico, which passes through it, through which they have a good amount of agricultural products. Then the education. The best education is provided in the United States. That is, according to a survey which was conducted in 2011, we can say that 35 to 60 years of old education was given in the United States. The finance, that is the stock market. The New York Stock Exchange is located at 11 Wall Street in Lower Manhattan, New York City. It is one of the stable stock markets in the country, and most of the exchanges, that is the import-export changes takes place here. Nasdaq, it is one of the American stock exchange which has an electronic screen board. I don't think any other country or state has this. It has approximately 3,800 companies or corporate offices which are listed under this, and it has a huge amount of transactions taken place under here. The next is the sectors. The agricultural sector. It is one of the major industries which USA takes apart. The US controls almost half of the world's food grains. That is, it produces food grains, that is fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and other forest products. Manufacturing, we can say USA, yes, science and technology has improved to a certain extent in USA. Whatever products you name it, first it is invented by the US states. And yes, most of the manufacturing devices come from the USA. Now, in the recent, according to the 2011 survey which was conducted, we got to know that the US outputs are 26,96,880 millions of manufacturing products are being produced there. And it is famous for petroleum, steel, motor vehicles, telecommunication and processed foods. A total of about 3.2 million factories were shut down in 2012, through to which there were some drawbacks. The major exports we can see, this was the export of USA, which is $74 billion. And the next export was $50.6 billion, which was a semiconductor. Imports of USA. USA mainly imports the crude oil, which is of $3.2 billion. Then you have these foreign cars, which are paid in the US of $125.6 million. Then we have the imported computers, which are again manufactured by the US. That is of $60.2 billion. Interesting facts about USA. The longest lane or the longest street in USA is 33 Mile Street in Iceland Park. The first electronic the traffic light was invented in Cleveland Town in 1914. The longest coastline in the US is around 6,614 miles, which is greater than the other states combined. Thank you for the presentation, for your presence.
14.99 trillion USD.
14.9.
It was in 2011, sir. But this one we tried finding out, but there were variations, sir. We found different, so we got stick to one.
How many types of visa are there?
There are 3 kinds of visas. Student visa, you have tourist visa, you have work visa.
Under the tourist, what are the important types?
Sorry?
Under tourist visa, which are the main types? You name some visas you use. And what are they used? Who are they what? Under tourist visa, there are categories. Under work, or at least under work visa, there are categories. Can you name 2 categories and what?
In work visa, they basically see the experience which you have
I
in
want to name the visa and who will be eligible for these visas. I mean, you know how to go. How many states are there?
50 states and 1 federal district.
Okay. Can you name 15? One by?
Yes.
Leave the activity.
I have the names.
I start naming. I can name 20. 11, Washington.
California, Washington, New York.
Miami,
Florida.
you have Florida, you have California,
California already done.
you have Los Angeles, you have Boston.
Virgin, West Virginia. Virgin.
Now they will see. I will tell you. You also will
So
tell.
difficult to pronounce those names, sir. We tried to
Columbus also is there, right?
Okay. Presentation wise, killer job. Good.
Thanks.
Why are you wearing red and white all of you?
So the
It's unity, sir.
Huh?
We are mentally unity. Like as he said, that there is no difference between any castes and everything in US. So we are very well.
try to be in unity, sir, whatever they do.
Okay, I thought probably USA symbolizes something in white, or something probably.
No, sir. Just to show the unity among the Americans, we go this way.
So you are already Americans, huh? All right, starting with Vimla. Vimla, what happened to you? Yeah? You forgot. Did you mug it up? Did you buy heart it? Yeah? Why? The more you buy heart, the more you tend to forget, right? Not a problem. I feel a lot of work is required in terms of your grammar. Your grammar and pronunciation needs to be worked out. The rest, I think, it happens for the, to the best of us going there and forgetting things. Not to worry. Don't mug it up from next time. All right. Second thing, you scored the least because you forgot, and you were very, very nervous there. Because you forgot, you're nervous, and you didn't go to the next step where I thought probably I've told many times to you guys, if you're nervous, move about a little bit. Your nervousness will go off. So you didn't do that. Okay, I've given you 69. Coming on to Vaishali. Vaishali, what happened to you? Not well?
No, sir.
None? You fought with these guys?
No, sir.
You were upset?
No, sir, I was a little overconfident.
Overconfident?
Brought me down, yeah.
That's honestly. But more, I didn't see any expressions on your face. You were just going on with no voice modulation, nothing. Why? You spoke well. You had your pointers, you didn't forget anything. But no voice modulation, no movement, nothing. You got a 78. Coming to 3 rock stars. Already a smile. Mosman.
Yes, sir.
Complete surprise for me. You were reading out from that paper, that's why I've got marks, but really nice. Keep it up, don't get too carried away with things. Alright? Your MBI is there, but I really could not find out today reason being you were confident. Right? Next time, I would say don't read it out from me. You got an 80.
Thanks.
Rajesh Chori, you'd have beaten Rajiv's record today. You would have. If you would have used that space there, or you would have been a little more expressive. You would have beaten. You got an 81.5 from me. Richard. What did you get? I'm like in a good way. In a good way. Sorry I mentioned that. What happened to you in a good way?
Show little interest.
Showed a little interest?
I was able to do it, sir.
Great. How much did Rajiv get? You know how much I got? You got a 0.5 less than. I'm really sorry, but it's 82.5 for you. Amazing. You are such a terrific speaker. I don't know why don't you take interest. Start taking interest. You know, I didn't know that you are one amongst the people who can speak amazingly well in this college. Be the one, man. You are amazing and you have done an amazing job. You know where you have scored more points than these guys? In promotions. They lost it on promotions, you gained it on promotions because you are the only gang who have started promoting past 4 to 5 days on Facebook. Rajeshwari was the first one to start it up, and I'm happy at least someone took this days. As I told you, 4 to 5 days. I don't want people you guys have started out 4 to 5 days. That's good. You have scored on 30, you have scored 26. I wish you would have done some sort of an activity. You would have taken over the entire thing. If you say on an average basis, this is the best thing that we've had till now.
Thank you.
Okay, great job, guys.
Thank you, sir.